Hi guys, my name is Faisal. So live photos and video of the iPhone 14 Pro Max appear on the network. New details about the Apple smartphone. The new iPhone 14 Pro Max screen cutouts are huge. Live video iPhone 14 Pro Max owners will immediately stand out in the company. And expected Apple will abandon the mini version of the iPhone. Chinese insider Ice Universe, who leaked a lot of reliable information about different smartphones, published a video showing a protective glass for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. In this video, you can get an idea of the dimensions of the new cutouts at the top of the display that will replace the famous notch. It is worth recognizing that the cutouts turn out to be very large. There will be 4 devices in the lineup, including the iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Max, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This year, there will be a new model called the iPhone 14 Max, which will receive the feeling of the regular iPhone 14 with a large screen. The two standard version iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will inherit the design of the previous generation, while the iPhone 14 Max will receive a larger screen. Smartphones will receive last year's single chip system, 6GB of RAM, 12 megapixel cameras, and 60Hz screen. As for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, they will get a 120Hz LTPO displays, 6GB of RAM, a new single chip system, and a new 48 megapixel with 8K video recording. Insider Sony Dixon shared high quality photos of the entire iPhone 14 line. The photos clearly show that the lineup will lose the iPhone 14 mini. As previously suggested, Apple, which launched the 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max, as well as a 6.1 inches iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro rumors, are rounded edges in the Pros. Then their previous iPhones were also confirmed. The aspect ratio has been increased to match the new design. Presumably, Pro models will have a new iNotch. Two windows will house the Face ID system. The front camera and speaker are only in the photos of the insider. This is not visible due to the black color of the screen. Traditionally, the Pro version will receive a glossy steel case, while the regular models will be made of brushed aluminum. On April 28, printed mock-ups of the iPhone 14 series and photos of protective glass appear on the network. The images show that the new phones are equipped with the larger camera sensor. Also, the display of the 2022 line will receive thinner bezel than the iPhone 13 series. It is expected that all smartphones will receive satellite communications. It will allow you to send emergency message when a network connection is not available. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max protective glass. Have you impressed with this new design now? Please let you know in the comment section. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.